Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I'm going to look at the words hypernym, hyponym and meronym. Okay, firstly notice hypernym with an E and hyponym. If you say these unstressed, they sound exactly the same. Hypernym, hyponym. So if you want people to know which of these you're talking about, you need to stress the hypo. Yeah, you need to stress it. Okay, let's look at these. These are words to do with linguistics. So a hyponym with an O is a specific word that refers to a member, a subordinate of a more general word or group. It's easier if I give you an example. For example, an oak is a hyponym of a tree. So an oak is a member of the group word tree. Apple is a hyponym of fruit. So are grape, orange, strawberry, pear, melon. Okay, these are hypernyms of fruit. And then hypernym with an E is the other way round. The hypernym is the group word or phrase. Yeah, the hypernym is the generic word. Yeah, it's like an umbrella word. Okay, so tree is a hypernym of oak. Yeah, it's the word that talks about the whole group of trees, and an oak is one member. So the group hypernym and the member hyponym. Okay, so let's see. Hypernyms are generic words, whereas hyponyms are specific words. Now let's look at the last one, meronym. Okay, a meronym refers to a specific part of a hyponym or a hypernym. Examples make this much easier. A leaf is a meronym of oak. Trees have leaves. Leaf is also a meronym of tree, because trees have leaves. Roots, again, would be a meronym of oak or tree. Okay, so the meronym talks about a specific part of either the member of the group or the group in itself. Now, I quite like this word meronym as well, because we can use it in a slightly different way. We can use it for the technique of referring to part of something or talking about part of something, but using it to refer to the whole. So, for example, I've seen many faces come and go. Here I'm using faces to talk about people, and here I'm using faces as a meronym. Yeah, I'm talking about the face, but in reality I'm talking about the people. The running shoes were impatient for the race to start. Here I'm using the running shoes to talk about the people actually running. Okay. The windows and roofs are extended to infinity. So here, windows, roofs. I'm talking about houses and buildings. Okay. So that's the idea of meronym. Okay. Now, your next question, formality. How formal are these? I give these between 8 and 10 in formality. This is technical linguistics. Native speakers are not going to know what most of these mean. And the origins are good because they will help you with other words. All of these come from ancient Greek. Hyper, over. hypo, under, and meros, part. And then onuma, name. So hypernym, over name, hyponym, under name, and meronym, part name. So hypernym, the generic word. Hyponym, a specific thing, a specific member of the group. Meronym, a part, a single part of the hypernym or the hypernym. So there you go. I hope that wasn't too boring. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hypernym, hyponym, meronym.